Alex found this really neat Toyota Sienna, and it's a BraunAbility, so it has on the console there, he's got a button he's going to push. Okay, that slides the side door open. And here comes the ramp. Oh, honey, if you needed a option like that, and if you're in a wheelchair, wouldn't that be nice? Wow. Someone like your friend, Nick?
Yeah.
Oh, and then it automatically closes. Okay, so should I go to the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, just wait. So there's a button up there for the other side too. And that opens up.
And then...
Oh, and then the back. Okay, so that's all controlled from the console. And then now you can close that with the button on the side. How fun. These are very smooth. Now this has some interesting, it's got the button there to close it, but what are these here?
I don't know.
I think they're folding seats. Hey, that's neat.
Okay, so it's sort of what we didn't know.
But what we didn't know is that it had the ramp. We knew it was a handicap van, but these are something that is not factory from Toyota.
You can either press these.
You can either press the two buttons there for each side to lower them down completely, to open up all the space, or then you can hit the one on each side and they come up.
Or
that must be stowaway. Wait till it gets back up and then we'll... Okay, so that one didn't come, so it's an incomplete operation. Okay. So now go ahead and see what that does when you hit that. It must just work in stages. Try the other side, see if it does the same thing. There you go. You must have to hold it.
right here.
Okay. See it talks, wait before. You have to wait. We have to wait for something to do the stow. And that's probably why it was beeping. So I think from here, go to this. Nope. Okay, it unlocked them.
But then here, when you want
to just fold them all back up, so you got room for the kiddies and whoever else wants to sit in the seat, you got it made. Comes back up automatically, and that is definitely probably something that's put in by the people that do the other stuff. And then lastly but not least, you close the gate. You can probably close that from the driver's seat too, couldn't you?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a neat. First time we've had a handicap van that shows. It's a ramp van.
Okay, let's keep going.